Good morning. It's about 8 o'clock, probably 8:15, I guess, by now. Got up about 6:45, 7 o'clock. Staying in the shelter is definitely different, but has its perks for sure. I have nothing to clean up in the morning except for my sleeping bag. So that's pretty nice. No tent, no wet tent from the rain last night. So I may actually try this whole shelter thing a couple more times, just for the convenience of it all. I'm kind of curious though, when it gets warm, will it be, super stuffy, sticky, all those good things that come with the warmth that I'll be dealing with in my tent anyway. So maybe it doesn't really matter, but stinky, yeah. So today is some real climbing in Virginia, so we'll see how that goes. I got some up and down, up and down. I feel like I'm going backwards here, going back down to Georgia, North Carolina, Tennessee areas with these climbs, up what they call PUDs, which is pointless ups and downs. It's been nice in Virginia so far. A lot of ridge walking, or lower elevation, flatter walking. So yeah, today's a little different for Virginia, but it's all going the same way, right? So it doesn't matter. I will have to say, those Johnsonville brats last night were amazing. I'm going to definitely do more of that. I should have been doing more of it since we did the kebabs, but I don't know why, but I haven't. So now I will. What a great dinner. Everybody enjoyed it. I got some. So that was pretty cool. And I will continue on that mission every time I go into town, I suppose. So gonna do probably 18 to 20 miles today. Like I said earlier, lots of elevation and decline coming up, so curious to see how it feels, how it works, and how the old body handles it. It's supposed to thunderstorm today also, so right now I can actually see kind of the sun poking its way through the clouds and the trees, but nothing crazy. So I don't know if it's going to thunderstorm or not. It was like a 70 or 80% chance from my understanding, so we'll see how that goes also. But it's going to be a good day regardless. Got my rain jacket sitting on the rear ready to put on if I need to, but if it's humid I won't. Right now it's not very humid, so we'll see. But yeah, see what the day brings. I will say Virginia is a strange state as far as markings are concerned. Hey, on gut hooks, most of the overlooks aren't marked. And now I'm at Wind Rock, which is probably going to be pretty awesome. It's not even marked on the trail. So, very strange. But, look at this. Wow. Cool. Really cool. Laurel is blooming severely. It's beautiful. I mean, it is everywhere. Wild, beautiful. There's nothing holding this up except for the tree behind it. I'm really not sure what is holding it. And then a little string right there, but that is crazy. I am at Kelly Knob, the second Kelly Knob I've done, and let's see here. Supposed to have some really good views. Yeah, don't look, Mom. And I believe I will get a sunrise over there and a sunset today, if the weather will behave. I'm gonna have to check out all these rocks. It's really cool. I don't know who Kelly is that they have named these knobs after, but this is the second one, like I was saying. And the first one was a nice steep climb to get to. And that was way back at going out of Georgia into North Carolina, actually. And this one was about 700 feet, pretty steep. So like I said earlier, Virginia's gonna say she's still here. Not easy all the time today. It is beautiful up here though. Well, today is my daughter's birthday. Thought I'd take a minute out here to say happy birthday to her. Let her know that I love her. Hope you had a great day today. Miss you. I can't wait to see you again. And happy birthday, babe. Today was 17.3 miles, almost 5,200 feet of elevation. I have somehow managed to make a huge mistake this morning. If you recall, I did not even put my tent up last night. I slept in the shelter for the first time. Good experience, except for a little bit of snoring, but you know, it is what it is. But that's not what I was talking about here. I somehow managed to leave my tent stakes at that shelter. Never even pulled them out. So interesting that I would leave them there. So that kind of sucks. I'm holding everything down with rocks and sticks right now, and I am about to watch the sunset, which is going to be amazing, I hope. And I don't know if you can see the chocolate chips there. I've got powdered milk inside my stove. I'm going to make a little hot cocoa, I think. See how it goes. I'm not sure how it'll taste, but there's only one way to find out, and I'm pretty excited to see that. So, yeah, this looks like it's going to be amazing. Pretty excited here. That's too bad. Had some clouds move in over there and sun went down behind them. Still pretty. Just not the sunset I was wishing for. Next time. Good morning. Did not wake up in time for sunrise. Pretty tired after my 2 long days. Stayed up pretty late too, talking to Fresh Bait. He's got family in Knoxville, so it's pretty cool. It's supposed to be a beautiful day, fully sunshine coming up later, and hopefully the rain won't come out. Let's see. You never know what you'll run into out on the trail. So I started right over there, came down, across, down, over, and it came up this mountain. Had a little lunch up here at this view. It's beautiful. Getting ready to get to some cairns, which is a big piles of rock that people have built, so interested to see what that looks like. Walking through a section right now. It's called Bruisers, Knobs, Cairns, and that's Cairns, and it's where some people have come through and stacked rocks with, for some reason that nobody knows. There's many thoughts on the subject. Some people think it was aliens. Aliens would do a better job than that, I do believe. But, you know, some people think it was memorials that have just fallen over the years. Either way, it's pretty cool. I'm thinking maybe that they, like with these ones right here, they were just clearing land and needed places to put the rocks, so they did that. But that's just my own opinion that I have not ever heard before, but it makes sense to me. So, see that one there? There's no one back there. Right there. But yeah, interesting. It's like a half-mile stretch, and I haven't even gone down the other way yet, but this is the very first one. So I've stopped with brother, and we're going to drink some coffee as we take this trail down and see how many of these there are. But so far, only that very first one was well built, I would say. It hasn't fallen, it's still standing, and it's well over 6 feet. So they did good. They done good on that one. So yeah, there you go. Got a lizard. Not gonna move though, is he?
You could probably catch him.
I don't want to catch him.
I know.
Oh, there he goes. That was quick.
No, you could catch him if you tried.
No, he's way too fast.
Yeah.
I've seen like 6 of these on the trail, but I have not been able to catch one on video. Oh, I'm really bad at video. So this sign signifies everything goes to the left of the mountain, or the west, goes to the Gulf of Mexico or through the Mississippi. Everything to the right of the mountain or to the east goes to the Atlantic Ocean through, I think, Jamestown River or something like that. I'm not sure which river it is, but pretty cool. So I've just made it to Naday Shelter, which is right there. Just gonna hang out here today. Did 13.8 miles, only 26,500 feet of elevation, so easy day, nice, relaxing. Should get me up to Dragon's Tooth tomorrow to see a sunset, which is gonna be amazing too, and then a sunrise in the morning hopefully, and then I'll do the McAfee Knob after that, and then I'm going to go over to Tinker's Cliffs after that. So it's the Triple Crown in Virginia of the AT. Pretty excited. It's supposed to be some magnificent views and some of the best views on the AT supposedly. So see how that goes. Hiked with brother today. Had a great time. It's the first time I've hiked with anybody all day for quite some time actually. So yeah, very enjoyable. Just a great day overall. Beautiful weather all day. Nice views all day. Can't complain, that's for sure.